Welcome back to our channel Inside Medical Education. Today I will discuss about an important female remedy, that is Gossypium herbaceum. So let's begin the key symptoms of Gossypium herbaceum. Common name of Gossypium or cotton plant. In homeopathy, this is a remedy known for a powerful emmenagogue. Used in physiological doses, homeopathically, it corresponds to many reflex conditions depending on disturbed uterine function and pregnancy. Gossypium will relieve tardy menses, especially with sensation that the flow is about to start and yet does not do so. Tall, bloodless patient with nervous chills. Head symptoms of Gossypium are pain in cervical region with tendency for head to draw backward with nervousness. Stomach symptoms of Gossypium are nausea with inclination to vomit before breakfast, anorexia with uneasy feeling at scrobiculum at time of menses. Female symptoms of Gossypium are labia swollen and itching, intermittent pain in ovaries, retained placenta, tumor of the breast with swelling of axillary glands, morning sickness with sensitive uterine region, suppressed menstruation, menses to watery, backache, weight and dragging in pelvis, uterine subinvolution and fibroids with gastric pain and debility. Relationship. You can compare the symptoms of Gossypium with ergot, lilium tick, simisafuga and sabina. So friends, this is the video on symptomatology of Gossypium. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.